Hey guys, how are you all and welcome to It's the Lil Things. In this video, I'll be talking about these two shower gels that I got from Plum. And guess what? I got them for free. Like, seriously, I got them for free. I just had to pay for the shipping charges that were 99 rupees. And I got both of them for free. And I have a proof here. This is the bill. They didn't provide me a bill as such. They gave me this box, and on top of this box like name and address was given, so I don't want to share that. So I had pasted this, and I was quite happy when I received it. Actually, I was just scrolling down my social media where I got this ad from Plum, and it said that you are getting these both for free. So I opened it and I realized that okay, we are getting them for free, but the thing we have to pay is the COD, the shipping charges, which I had to bear. And the price of each of them was rupees 175. Like one is for 175, both of them are for 350, and I got them for just rupees 99. That too, like the shipping charges only. So I was quite happy. Here's the proof, and it said that the delivery is rupees 99 and payment method is COD. And then they have here provided with the information. It said description. So it says that Plum Body Lovin' Oopsie Daisy Shower Gel, that 250 ml, and its price is 175. Discount is also 175, and the same is for the Plum Body Lovin' Hawaiian Roomba Shower Gel, and the same is the price is rupees 175. Discount is also 175. The amount I had to pay is 0, and then the shipping charges, that is 99. So each of them cost me, no, it didn't even cost me 50 rupees. I was just scrolling down my social media. I thought, why not to see what they are they like actually going to give us them for free. So I ordered them. The best part was that it was on cash on delivery, because if we pay online for these shipping charges, I am not sure that that is a scam or not. So I thought that this could be a scam, and let's just go for the cash on delivery. And after 2 weeks, I had actually forgotten about them, and it arrived on my doorsteps, and they said that there's an order for rupees 100 approximate. So I was quite shocked that I didn't order something for rupees 100. Then I found this, and I was really satisfied and happy. So now if I talk about its quantity, quality, fragrance, and everything, material and the packaging, everything is so good. Like I have used this Hawaiian Roomba, and it was so good. I am in love with the Hawaiian Roomba's fragrance. I too like the fragrance of Oopsie Daisy, but Hawaiian Roomba's fragrance is my favorite. Oopsie Daisy is also really good. Like, no offense, but I like this one better. The price you can see was rupees 175, and then it was for 50 ml each. Also, they have provided me this with this some sort of booklet from Plum, which says clean, real, and good. So their products are clean, which is like so true, and then real, and it's good. So on the back side of this booklet, they have provided with these stickers, which are super cute. Like you can peel it, and you can definitely paste it somewhere. So it says just peel, stick, share, and tag @Plum Goodness on Instagram to get featured. So which is great, and everything is so cute. So now I'll be showing you what it is like from inside. So this is a 50 ml bottle, and it opens up like this, and it was almost full when I received it. I have used it once, and that is why it's this much empty. It has a gel like texture, and the texture is also really good. So the quantity was totally full. You can see the quantity here. So now if I talk about these products, then I think that it's like pretty awesome if you buy from Plum, because the Plum, it is nasties free, cruelty free, and judgment free, and which is pretty good. And the it fragrance is like daisies, and it's a very mild fragrance. It's like all these fragrances are very fruity or very floral. And the fragrance of Hawaiian Rumba, I am in love with this fragrance. If you ask for my opinion, I would suggest that just go for Hawaiian Rumba because its fragrance is so good. Its fragrance is like a coconut, and I am in love with its fragrance. So the next thing I want to talk about Plum is that it is a very natural brand, and whatever shopping you do from Plum, they donate 1% of it to WWF, that is Worldwide Fund. And that fund, I must tell you, is for the nature, and it's a really good effort on their part. And also they use 100% recyclable packaging, and you can also send your empties back to them, and that way you earn some goodness points, so which is great. So now I'll be pouring it on my loofah to show you how it works. So here is my loofah, and I am going to use, so it's my very cute little loofah, and I am going to use this Oopsie Daisy, which is orange in color, and I'm going to pour it on my loofah. It's a gel liquid, gel type of texture. So I'll be pouring it onto my loofah, and you need to wet your loofah. Just make sure that it's wet. So you just rub it onto your skin. You can see it's so leathery, and it's a great shower gel, and I'm in love with the fragrance and everything. Oh god, it's so good. And also I have got them for free, which is the best part. So such kind of offers, you should always check such kind of offers. They are not stable, they are not constant, they just come and go. Or I'll check such offers for you, but last time when I saw this offer, I thought it's a scam, so I thought why not to order first. So next time if I'll ever see such kind of offer, I'll definitely let you guys know. Okay guys, so this is all from my side, and I hope you will also get such discounts, and if I'll find such discounts, I'll definitely let you know next time. And I'll always check those things out, and I will let you know whenever I find such discounts again. And it's pretty awesome. And yeah, that's all from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Bye, take care.